Hey, it's Star White here, starwhitereviews.com. If you haven't been here before, please subscribe, click the link below, and ring the bell. Today, I am actually going to give away 5 super programs. You're going to get access to 0-hour workdays, Lindgren's raising method, 5-figure freedom, effortless Facebook product, and the awakening. So you're going to get 5 products. There's absolutely nothing to buy. The only thing you have to do is sign up to my YouTube channel, so just subscribe and then click the link below the video and get your programs. We're going to get 0-hour workdays, and this is by Mace, who is a super affiliate. It's going to show you how to access traffic sources, trading traffic, buying traffic, recommended sellers, lead capper pages, collecting subscribers, affiliate promos, bigger commission sales, case study part 1, case study part 2, and case study part 3. He also has free resources and what to buy. And everything comes with the video and self-training, and just if you really need training, this is the place to go. Lindgren's lazy method. Lindgren had help from Mace, and Lindgren is making a lot of money right now. And it's how to set up your YouTube channel, finding products to promote, how to record your screen, how to get a review copy, how to structure your reviews, YouTube descriptions and thumbnails, effortless list building of videos, other ways to monetize your videos, how to find bonuses and giveaway, how to rank your videos fast, update 2 minutes later, stay on top of Google. Highly recommended resource. And one last thing, a bonus training, which I'm not going to reveal. You'll have to sign up to get these. You're also going to get 5-figure freedom, creating your own product, creating your own sales letters, setting up squeeze pages, follow-up sequences, connecting things together, using Facebook groups, link tracking, and magic click, and wrapping up everything. Shows you how to go from step 1 to step 0 and to get everything going, connected, and start making money. This is a Facebook traffic hack, and it is by Flair, super affiliate. He has went way out of his way, extensive training here on traffic, how to use your Facebook ads, your video training, just all types of ads, bidding, budgeting, penny clicks, targeted traffic, sales funnels, retargeting. And Art's just a wonderful guy and a good friend, and he just does a really great job. So you're really going to want to watch all of these. And like I said, he really went to a lot of work, a lot of extensive training there. You're also going to get the awakening. And welcome to the awakening. First, they welcome you. This is, I have trouble pronouncing his name. This is Shahin, and he is also a 7-figure marketer. And he went hand in hand with Mace. And it's how to pick your own niche in less than 10 minutes. Get free traffic quicker than Bruce Lee. Convert strategy for automatic leads. Craft killer landing page in the next 5 minutes. How to link your freebie to your video. How to craft and deliver your cheat sheets. How to create perfect thank you pages. Subject lines that force you to open. How to pre-sell your audience with secret emails formula. The terrible two of the most deadly emails summoned to further the course of sales. Anatomy of an irresistible affiliate promo. 0 objections email that drives people mad. Never before seen curiosity email. So how bad do you really think? Quit your job. And plus they also have an extra free bonus for you. And all of this comes with videos in each one and extensive training. So like I said, all you have to do is go ahead and subscribe to my channel below, hit the bell, just fill out the little form, and boom, you're in. You get these delivered straight to your inbox. So I'll see you on the next one, and enjoy.